Mayday, Mayday. This is Captain Jack Sparrow, hold side. X-ray, Yankee, Zulu, Una 1, Bisu 2, Terra 3, Cardi 4. Our operation is in Una 1, Cardi 4, degree. Terra 3, Nada 0, minutes north. Una 1, Bisu 2, Nada 0 degree. Cardi 4, Panda 5, minutes east. We are experiencing engine failure and we are drifting toward a rock cast line. We are required immediate towing assistance to avoid grounding. We have Una 1, Nada 0 crew members on board. Over.
Coast Guard Station Manila, MBC Dragon. This is Coast Guard Station Manila. We copy your medical. A rescue vessel with towing capability is being dispatched to your position. Please provide more information about your vessel and extent of engine damage. Over.
Coast Guard Station Manila. This is MBC Dragon. We are a cargo vessel. Approximately Panta 5, Nada 0, Nada 0, Nada 0 tons. Engine failure is due to severe mechanical breakdown. We are also taking on water. Our pumps are working and life-saving appliances are ready. Assistance with towing and possible evacuation may be required. Over.
Coast Guard Station Manila, MBC Dragon. This is Coast Guard Station Manila. Roger that. A rescue vessel with towing equipment and medical support is en route to your location. Eco Tango Alpha is 3 0 minutes. Please stand by and update us if situation changes. Over.
Coast Guard Station Manila. Thank you for your support. We'll appreciate any help we can give. Over.
MBC Dragon, you're welcome. We'll be here until the situation is resolved. Out.